It's so weird. So that's really the only time during the day that I like purposely suppress my cough.
Good morning, guys. I've been hard at work on just businessy stuff, but it is lunchtime already, and Mary reheated some of our shrimp fried rice from yesterday. Excited about that. We've got a busy day. We have some friends coming over for a little bit this afternoon, and then I have a meeting downtown, and then I'll be back here for, we have our weekly church gathering in our backyard on Wednesday nights, so it's a busy day.
We're leading music tonight, so that'll be fun.
Excited about that.
Yeah.
So let us eat.
Also,
take some bowl trays.
I'm pretty sure this rice and, oh, maybe it was the eggs.
Made you sick?
Made me sick last night, but I'm gonna eat it again, cause I'm hungry. Well, I was just painting. I didn't paint at all when we were in Maryland, so I am very happy to be back at my desk. And Peter mopped the floor by hand. I don't know, on your hands and knees, that's what it's called.
I'm working on it.
That's so exciting. I was gonna say nice knees.
Nice knees?
Because they crack so bad when you get down.
Yeah.
Do you prefer cleaning the floor like this or with a mop?
Well, I find that I can be more precise when I do it like this. Whew, what a whirlwind. We had our outdoor gathering tonight with our church people, and it was sweet.
I let the kids pick some carrots and potatoes.
And there was this moment of alarm because all the kids were kind of like off playing, and then all of a sudden all the kids had carrots and they're like, was that authorized? But it was super fun. The kids had fun, we had fun. It was hot, but as the sun went down, it sort of cooled off. And we're just grateful for. Sometimes I sit out there when we have people in our backyard and kids are out playing, and I just think of all those wheelbarrow fulls of dirt that I brought back to this backyard. I'm like, it was worth it.
Yeah, you did good.
You done did good, kid.
Did you give him a big bone?
No.
He found one somewhere. Is his travel bag over there?
It is over there, and it is open. Yep, okay.
Yep,
Okay.
He's a dog who knows what he wants.
He knows what he wants, and he gets what he wants, apparently.
I came in and took my meds, and then promptly realized, oh, I took Trikafta. I need to eat something. So, good old pepper and cream cheese came in to the day. What?
Came to the rescue.
Came to the rescue.
We, for dinner, so we do it like bring your own food kind of picnic in the backyard, and Mary and I threw a couple of those burgers that we froze the other night onto the grill. That was good.
It was so good. Now, would you have done a double?
I think so. You made them pretty thin.
Yeah.
But they were
like
perfect.
The good kind of thin. Super good.
Super good. All right, guys, I just finished a round of kombucha, and I'm going to try this. Ooh, that looks like there's olives floating in it. It's grapes. I'm gonna try this, see how this batch worked. I don't know. I used green grapes and ginger in this one. We'll see how it tastes. And by the way, our under cabinet lighting is like the cheap strip lighting from IKEA. And it has served us so well. I'm very impressed with it. Random recommendation from Peter. Alright, here we go. Okay. Not too fizzy. Let's see. not too bad, but it's not too fizzy. I don't know. Maybe it didn't have enough sugar in it. It's always a experiment. Each batch is different. We'll see how the other ones turned out. I've got a cherry. Maybe I'll try that one. Let's try the cherry ginger. See how that one came out. Okay, it's got a little fizz. Let's see. But not too fizzy. Okay. I'd say it's okay. It's not great. I don't know why that batch didn't turn out so great. But you win some, you lose some. Did you guys see this? I just love these so much. Do you know anyone who says you are a sight for sore eyes?
Yeah, like grandmothers?
Yeah, I don't know. I can't think of anybody in my life who actually says that. But sometimes I see Ollie and I think you're a sight for sore eyes.
I just thought of something. I don't know if I've ever told them.
Okay.
So usually late in the night, like right before I'm going to bed, my cough, like it's super different.
Oh, really?
And we've noticed it, well, we talked about this like a year and a half ago, like it's very reactive. Like if I laugh, I'll cough.
Yeah.
It's like a dry cough.
Yeah.
It just happened before you came upstairs or whatever, and that's what made me think of it. And we think it's right when the orange pills of Trikafta, which I take in the morning, are running out, and the blue pill before it like kicks in or something. And it's so weird. So that's really the only time during the day that I like purposely suppress my cough. Like, don't laugh too much. And it's just like for an hour or two before bed. It's so strange.
We have no scientific evidence that it's the like pills wearing off. It's just like us like late night speculating.
Well, yeah, but it's like it's the only time. It doesn't happen during the day ever.
Yeah, it is strange.
I mean, I cough during the day sometimes,
yeah.
Normal, whatever. But it's like this very like irritated. It's a weird feeling. Anyway, it's not a big deal, and it's not like it happens a ton, but.
Interesting.
It's just an observation.
Have you seen Harry in a while?
No.
Should go check on him. You guys want to go check on Harry? Oh, are you in your bed? Hi, buddy. How are you? Harry made a guest appearance at our church gathering, which was Mary brought him out to say hi to the kids. And people rightly think that he is a strange creature. You, my friend, are a very strange creature. And one of the people I was talking to, they were like, I would never get a hairless cat. And I said that for 10 years. Well, really 9 years. I think it was 9 years of marriage that I was like, we are not getting a hairless cat. And then we got him, and I fell in love. You stole my heart, little buddy. Made me change my mind. I'm still not a cat person. I'm just a sphynx person.
It looks like you found him.
I found him. He was sleeping in his bed.
Alright. Well, as always.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night, buddy. See you, Mary.
Hey, bud.